Good morning, children. So, are you ready to start a new chapter? Hope you have understood our last chapter, Animal Fiber, very clearly. Now we will start a new chapter, that is Physics. It is chapter 5, named Heat and Temperature. In physics, we study about energy. Heat is a form of energy. It makes the substance hotter. We cannot see heat, but we can feel the heat by the temperature effect it produces. In this chapter, we will learn about concept of heat, measuring temperature, modes of heat transfer and properties of heat one by one. Now come to this chapter. To understand heat, let's do a simple test. Take 3 glasses. Fill one glass with chilled water, second one with tap normal water, and third one with boiling water. Now put a drop of any color in each glass. Okay? And note your observation. We see that boiling water glass spreads more faster the color than the normal tap water glass, whereas cold chilled water glass have the color concentration on the top. This test shows that how heat plays an important role in spreading the molecules. During winter, we feel cold. We drink hot tea, coffee, soups, etc. and sit near fire or heater. On the other hand, in summer, we wear light colored clothes and drinks always cold drinks. Again, a question arises, how will we know which object is hotter than other? For this, we use thermometer. Thermometer to measure the temperature of objects. And when we mix two things of different, there is an exchange of heat between them. Now come to the concept of heat. We see various objects in our day-to-day life. So, how will you decide which object is hot and which is cold? Firstly, we feel the hotness or coldness by touching an object. When we sip a tea or soup, we feel the hotness, and when we sip a cold drink, we feel the coldness. Similarly, in summer days, we feel cooler inside the house even without AC also. So it becomes necessary to have an instrument which can determine the hotness and coldness of a body. And you know, necessity is the mother of invention. So we made thermometer. But before this, do an activity. Here is an activity. Activity about to prove that our sense of touch is relative. Take a piece of wood and a piece of metal. Put an ice cube on both the pieces and touch them one by one. We finally come to an conclusion that metal piece is cooler than wood because temperature of our hand is removed faster by the piece of metal than wood. Here we can feel only hotness or coldness, but we cannot measure how hot or how cold our hand feels. So here arises a new definition. The degree of hotness and coldness of a body is known as temperature. High temperature we call hot. Low temperature we call cold. And this temperature is measured by an instrument called thermometer. Let's know more about temperature and thermometer. Now come to measuring temperature. Hope you have understood what is heat, what is temperature and what is thermometer. Now come to measuring temperature. Temperature is a degree of hotness and coldness of a body. Remember this. We can check the temperature by touch the body, but we can measure the exact temperature by a thermometer. So, come to the types of thermometer. There are mainly 3 types of thermometer. First, mercury thermometer. You should know that mercury is a metal which remains liquid in room temperature. So it is used in thermometer. Second thing, mercury expands, means increases very fast. And third, it has a shiny color, just like silver. Second is alcohol thermometer. Some thermometer uses alcohol because alcohol are less toxic than mercury and it is used to measure low temperatures. Third one is digital thermometer. Digital thermometer don't have mercury or alcohol. It has a thermistor inside them. The passage of current through it depends on the temperature that is being read, and here the temperature is displayed on the screen in digit. There is no digital thermometer. Okay, I will see. Sorry. Lab thermometer, clinical, but no digital. Okay. Digital thermometer. Digital thermometer, the temperature is displayed on the screen in digits. So it is called digital thermometer. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will start a new day, new concept. Thank you. Tomorrow we will start scales of thermometer and then clinical and then laboratory thermometer. Okay, thank you.